the big stampede in Hathras. And in Hathras, ladies and gentlemen, the death toll in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras due to a killer stampede now stands at 121. The organizers and the self-proclaimed godman Suraj Pal. I'm not going to give him the respect of calling him some Baba or the other. Godman, self-styled godman Suraj Pal are under the scanner. The glaring lapses are too strong to ignore. Many eyewitnesses have cited overcrowding as the primary reason for the accident. Even the report by the magistrate mentions that the organizers had permission for only 80,000 people, but about 2.5 lakh people attended the event. As per the FIR, the organizers did not help the victims. Rather, there was an attempt to destroy evidence as the footwear of the victims were thrown inside a nearby plot. The FIR further indicates that sevadars at the event even blocked the administration from entering in or providing security. There was no arrangement made to block the cavalcade route of Suraj Pal, who literally fled from a road that had been cobbled together for the VVIP cavalcade to go away. And if we can show that road, those visuals will make your anger absolutely unabatable, because entry and exits were not demarcated at the event venue. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has vowed stringent action, but so far not a single arrest has been made. A judicial probe has been ordered, but the opposition is questioning the long rope to Suraj Pal, asking why has he not been booked. What is interesting is the cult following of Suraj Pal. Even with a checkered past, Suraj Pal had a stint in the police department before facing legal troubles in 1997 to allegations of sexual assault, for which he served time in prison. Suraj Pal faces multiple cases, and even after the stampede yesterday, he has been virtually given a free run because there is no action that has taken place against him. Let's, before we go across to our panelists, let's listen in to the reactions coming in.
और इसके पीछे इन सभी पहलों को लेकर के राज्य सरकार ने तय किया है कि हम इसका एक जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी भी करवाएंगे।
भीड़ कितनी?
भीड़ कम से कम 1 लाख में भीड़ हुई। व्यवस्था तो मतलब कहा कहता है, बाहर तो कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है।
एक एक करके एम्बुलेंसों का आना शुरू हुआ। उन एम्बुलेंस में जितने लोग घायल आ रहे थे, उतनी ही मात्रा में, उतनी ही संख्या में लोग की बॉडियां आ रही थी।
सब लोग खड़े गए ऊपर, एकदम बेला सा आया, उसमें जो लोग गिर गए तो उनके ऊपर चोट लगी, उसमें हम गिर गए एकदम, तो ऐसे लोग निकल गए।
इसके जिम्मेदार अगर कोई है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार जिम्मेदार है। सीएम के जाने से किसी की जान वापस नहीं आने वाली है। मैं कहता हूँ किस बाबा की गिरफ्तारी कराएं, बताओ तुम। 2 बाबा हैं वहाँ।
इतना बड़ा हादसा हो गया, ये प्रशासनिक लैप्स हुआ है और उनकी लापरवाही से हुआ है।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight is Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, spokesperson of the BJP, Rohit Agarwal, spokesperson of the RLD, Ameek Jamai and Sanjay Jha continue to be with us. Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, मेरा पहला सवाल तो ये है कि nobody has put an FIR against the godman. Everybody is talking about the sevadars who violated the norms, the fact that the cavalcade went away from there. It was the cavalcade that was responsible for creating the stampede, people falling into the ditch. But no FIR, no arrest so far.
Navika ji, namaste. But yes, it is most unfortunate incidents. Hope our Prime Minister, CM has condolences for the affected family. But yes, I also surprised why there is no FIR registered by the police. So I am not giving any bail to anyone, and there is clear-cut guidelines for any such type of event, that there must be fire brigade, there must be ambulances, there must be nearby hospital must be informed well, and appropriate safety measure and security forces should be there. I am not bailing out the administration even. Both are equally responsible in my opinion, and stringent action must be taken, will be taken by the government. Our CM has clearly said about this thing, why the
Dr.
government
Mishra,
name was
your
not
party
mentioned
is in government.
Yes, ma'am.
Questions are being asked. You can't take a position saying कि कुछ करना चाहिए, कब होगा पता नहीं, अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं हुआ पता नहीं, FIR में नाम क्यों नहीं है पता नहीं, ऐसे कैसे होगा? People, 121 people have died, and Ameek Jamai, administrative failure. Well, you don't need rocket science to understand that there was administrative failure. There was permission given for 80,000 people, 2.5 lakh people were there. The local administration, was clearly napping. They had no idea what was the local intelligence doing. Absolute failure. The hospitals were not equipped. There were no doctors there. Nobody was helping people who had been injured also. And look at the death toll, 121 people. But we're still asking questions.
डॉक्टर कौशल जी की ये कहने से कि हमें पता ही नहीं कि FIR क्यों नहीं हुआ, उसका नाम क्यों नहीं है, सैकड़ों लोगों की जो जिंदगियां, निर्दोष लोगों की जो गई है, आप सोचिए कि उनके घरों में कितना मातम का एक माहौल होगा। देखिए, ये पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश के शासन प्रशासन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का हाल है। आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि ADG लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अमिताभ यश जी, उत्तर प्रदेश में इनको 007 जेम्स बॉन्ड कहा जाता है। कहा जाता है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में चप्पे चप्पे की कोई खबर होती तो अमिताभ यश को होती है। लेकिन आप सोचिए कि इतनी बड़ी घटना, पूरे पुलिस महकमा सोया रहा। अब मुख्यमंत्री जी भी जो छोटी छोटी बात पे, उत्तर प्रदेश में आपको मालूम होगा नाविका में जुमे की नमाज चाहे 50 लोग पढ़ें या कहीं पे 500 लोग पढ़ें, पुलिस फोर्स लगाई जाती है कि 25 लोग कहीं सड़क पे ना आ जाएं। सवाल यह है कि 60,000 की परमिशन के बाद 2 लाख 2.5 लाख लोग पहुंच गए, तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि शासन प्रशासन को नहीं पता होगा। तो कौन लोग हैं जो उस हत्या के जिम्मेदार हैं, इस नरसंहार के जिम्मेदार हैं? ठीक है, वो जो भी गॉडमैन थे, वटेवर, उनका नाम क्यों नहीं वो कौशल जी बताएंगे। लेकिन ये पूरे तरीके से मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी का जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का, ये उनकी तरफ का पूरा फेल्योर है, क्योंकि पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में फेक इनकाउंटर्स में, ब्राह्मण्स का फेक इनकाउंटर या ओबीसी का फेक इनकाउंटर्स, और हाई कोर्ट 50 बार इस पे सुमोटो कर चुका है, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश का लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आज भी मुख्यमंत्री के कंट्रोल में नहीं।
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का अगर ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखें तो समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकारों में क्या रहा है, शायद वो भी देश को पता है। बट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट पॉलिटिक्स। माय क्वेश्चन टुडे इज, रोहित अग्रवाल, वेरी वेल मीनिंग डॉक्टर कौशल कांत मिश्रा इज सेइंग कि होना चाहिए, है क्यों नहीं? It's been 36 to 40 hours since this incident took place. Why is there no FIR against Suraj Pal? Why are there no arrests? Isn't this the basic part of investigation when 121 people have lost their lives?
Navika ji, first of all, from Rashtriya Lokdal, condolence to the families. Condolence to the people who have lost their life in this accident. Condolence to the every family whose person is no more with us right now. So this is a big accident. This is a big stampede, and we are equally aware about the things what are going on there. Immediately, DGP and Chief Secretary is moved to the place, to the incident place, and they were camping last night.
Sanjay
Even
Jha, does
the
that
three
help?
ministers,
Chief
three
Secretary
state
chale
ministers.
gaye hain, DGP chale gaye hain. Is that helping? You know, nobody knew that 2.5 lakh people were congregating. 2.5 lakh people. इतने तो किसी रैली पर नहीं आते किसी के लिए. This is more than that. But at rallies, political rallies, there is a battery of security personnel. Police is deployed because VVIPs are there. What about the hapless common man?
No.
I agree with you.
Navika ji, there was...
Navika, is that a question to me?
Yes, that question is to you, Sanjay Jha.
If you can give me 10 seconds...
You know, Navika, let me tell you, this is such a terrible tragedy, Navika. Over 120 people dead, innocent people. I was watching one of the clips of a woman who lost her children. I mean, today, imagine the number of families who are grieving even as we are discussing it. So I do believe that this criminal negligence, who's going to be accountable? And ultimately, the buck needs to stop somewhere, right? I mean, people can't just make casual statements that this could be an alleged political conspiracy and try and divert attention on a matter which I think is so sensitive that we should all first and foremost apologize to the people who have suffered and those who are probably still recovering. So it's a very shameful level of political immorality that I think is lowered, I think, standards in our political. But I want to add one point. I want to credit the UP BJP spokesperson Kaushal ji, because he's the first BJP spokesperson I have met in the decency and the integrity to admit that the BJP could have done better or the administration of the state could have done better. So full marks to Dr. Kaushal for at least confessing that a lot needed to be done. Now he has the responsibility to make sure that Mr. Adityanath's government gets to the bottom of the matter and makes sure that justice is done to those who have been, I think, devastated for their entire lives. I think we all need to hang our heads in collective shame.
I come back to you. Not one DSP, not SSP, nothing has moved. Nothing has moved. Nobody has been removed, suspended. Nothing has been done. I want to ask you, yes, sir, there will be a judicial inquiry. Yes, there will be a committee. Yes, 15 days में report आएगी. I'm probably 15 days, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. हर state में जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है, इस तरह की committees बनती हैं. बदलता क्या है आम इंसान के लिए? आज देश को बता दीजिए कि 121 परिवार लुट गए. उनके घर वाले एक सत्संग के लिए गए और घर लौटकर नहीं आए. हम कर क्या रहे हैं?
नाविका जी, जब ऐसे इंसिडेंसेस होते हैं तो हमारी पहली रिस्पांसिबिलिटी होती है कि हॉस्पिटल में जाकर के जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों की जान बचाई जा सके वो बचाई जाती है. उत्तर प्रदेश में हमारी सरकार है तो हम रिस्पांसिबिलिटी लेते हैं, लेकिन रिस्पांसिबिलिटी लेते हैं इसके साथ साथ हम एक्शन में भी आ रहे हैं, आ चुके हैं. आप ये देखिए जिस तरह से जब इंसिडेंस हुआ उसी रात को 3 मिनिस्टर वहां पहुंच चुके. सीएम अगले दिन खराब मौसम के बाद आज वहां पर थे. उन्होंने मरीजों से मिला जिनके घर में अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स हुए, उनसे मिले. इसके अलावा एसआईटी बनाई गई. एसआईटी के साथ साथ जिससे कि एसआईटी प्रॉपर काम करे, उसके साथ जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी भी उसमें ऑर्डर की गई. आप ये समझिए कि हमारा संविधान यही कहता ना, किसी भी गैर जिम्मेदार आदमी को सजा नहीं दी जा सकती. एग्रीड, इसमें जो गॉडमैन है वो गिल्टी है. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यह है कि जब वहां पर ये इंसिडेंस हुआ उसके बाद भी वो आदमी भाग गया. आज वो गायब है, पुलिस इसके पीछे है. ही इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कल्प्रिट.
Preliminary, my friend, why is his name not in the FIR? You are still calling him Godman? Well, Godman, of course not. For the common people who lost their lives, he's Suraj Pal. His name should be on the FIR and there should be teams going out. आपको तो सबको ही मिल जाता है ना, पाताल में हो, ऊपर हो, कहीं भी हो. ये नहीं मिल रहा है आपको. मीडिया की मदद चाहिए.
मुख्यमंत्री जी ने
भेज देते हम अपने रिपोर्टर आपके साथ.
जैसे
शायद हमारे रिपोर्टर ढूंढ पाए. I'm sorry. You know, on law and order, I think it has been the strongest point for Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. But when poor people have lost their lives, if the names of those who are accused are not on the FIR, very little confidence to the people that action will be taken. An SIT, a judicial committee, people being rushed. The chief secretary has gone, 3 minister चले गए. अरे भैया, minister नहीं चाहिए, accused चाहिए. किसने ये करवाया? 121 जाने किसने ली? पकड़ कर लाइए, जेल मत डालिए. यही है आज न्याय की पुकार. Justice needs to be done. Just sending ministers and setting up committees does not lead to accountability. People of India, will not forgive those who have caused the loss of lives of 121 people, destroyed these 121 families. We will keep demanding accountability. We will keep demanding justice. And probably we will find you, the accused, before you can. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night.